everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Why did I say it like that? Don't know. I've changed the position again. I literally change it every 3 working days because I get bored. I love sitting down, but sometimes I want to stand up and move about. As you saw in the thumbnail, I've got a massive bag from I Saw It First. I bought this stuff myself. This is not sponsored, this is not gifted, this is, I was about to say all opinions are my own, this is going to be raw, but I'm very brutal in all my other videos. Like, if you've seen my videos, like, I don't hold back. I don't care whether you sent it to me, you're paying my bills. I'm honest. And we're going to see if it's any good, because I'll be honest with you, I used to try I Saw It First all the time. I used to shop there all the time, but sometimes I felt like this stuff was a bit hit and miss. So I want to see if their stuff has got any better. Remember what I got, because this parcel's been sat for like 3 weeks. Have I missed the cut-off time to return items? Probably. I think I got some Petite stuff in here, you know. Okay, so I got this jumper here. Oh, that's a bit oversized. What size is this? Size small. Let's just try it on now because I prefer when videos are just more chill. Sorry, my mirror's all over here. It's really annoying, so I'm gonna have to use a viewfinder. Oh. I don't know. Is that too big? That is a little bit too big, isn't it? I don't know. The print is so cool. Let me come close. Can you see that's graphic print is really cool. I'm feeling it. The quality is like medium quality, like the inside. I was about to say fur line, no it's not. It's like fluffy. Do you know what I mean? And like, I don't know, it's just, yeah, when I have it like that, it's just a bit too long for me. It's because I'm so small, but the print on it is really good. So out of 10, let's say 7. Because if it fitted me, I would love this. Oh, I got a hoodie as well. Well, that's going to be too big. Oh my goodness, look how cool that is. I hope you don't mind this more like chill video. I don't know, like sometimes I just don't want to be professional and like have a really nice setup and have cuts between me getting changed and stuff. Like, I just want it to feel like we're on FaceTime because that's what I want. You know what? It's oversized, but I feel like it's a good oversized. What do you think? Why are these strings white? The green, pink and purple. Whoever thought of that was a genius idea. The thing is, I always try to match things with my shoes. Does this purple match? No, the purple doesn't match. Quality again is the same, like that medium quality, not super thick, but not thin. Like, it will keep you warm because it's fluffy on the inside. The print is stuck on very well. Like, that doesn't feel cheap at all. I love this type of grey. Like, this is my favourite grey. I bought 2 pairs of joggers. Please tell me why. I think I grabbed them to see because I think one of these are petite and one are just from the normal. So I wanted to see which are better. So we'll try the normal first. Let's just keep the leggings on. If you wanted like an oversized fit, these are few. Let me come all the way back. They're not that long either, but I don't know if it's just because they scrunch. I feel like I definitely prefer the petite ones, but the quality of these are really nice. They've got elasticated waistband and drawstrings in the inside. Again, I love the grey. It's got pockets, cuff bottoms. These are really nice. So I hope the petite ones are the same quality and actually petite, because a lot of brands say petite and I'm like, honey, you're not petite, don't lie to me. Right, this may look no different to you. I've got the petite ones on. They're less oversized and they are a bit shorter. But the only thing is the waistband. It's quite big. Maybe I should tilt the camera down a bit. Will that help you? Would you say these are petite? Oh, my slippers are flying everywhere. I mean, I would say they are. They're like an oversized petite bottom. Yeah. If they were smaller, obviously they've got the drawstring waist, but I still want them to be smaller. I don't know. Out of 10, I keep forgetting to rate everything. Oh my god, so bad at holes. It's 6 because I've tried better. I also grabbed them in black. I feel like there's no point trying them on. Okay, got a beige outfit on. I'm aware these beiges don't match. And I don't know, do these look really pink on camera? Because I swear on life they're like beige. They're like practically the same beige in person. I don't know. So, I've actually got 2 items on. Did I say that? I feel like I actually have. This kink in my hair is not cute. This jumper smells weird, won't lie, but most knit stuff does. I grabbed this petite jumper. I know we are not in winter anymore. Next year. This was next year. I quite like this, to be fair. It's cropped, but not cropped at the same time. I don't know. Is it nice? I think it's from the Petite section. Quality's really nice. I haven't got top under, but I feel warm still, which is what you want. So in that sense, it's quite nice. It's got like a little bit of a loose sleeve. Then I've got these Petite flares on. I'll be honest, I would say, yeah, they're petite. If I was wearing boots or something, they'd feel more petite. I grabbed these in a 6 instead of a 4. They must have not had a 4 in, but I definitely would prefer these in a 4. I do find they're quite loose and I'm having to pull them up a bit. But they're a slinky material, so super soft. And from what I can see, they're not see-through. Don't know about you, but I don't think they're see-through. Even though we are in like spring, heading towards summer, I still love beige. So I will forever wear beige because neutrals are light. Out of 10, for the jumper, I'd give it a 9. And then for these, if they fitted, I'd give them a 9. But because they don't, I'll give them a 7. For petite, I would say they're quite good. Because once you've got your shoes on, you'll be fine. What's this bodysuit now? I actually haven't done it up. So if I'm looking a bit like I've got a bulge, you know why. Am I allowed to say that word? It looks like I'm wearing a jumpsuit. Why am I in such like a scatty mood at the moment? I don't know. Obsessed with this. Literally so obsessed. The quality is such a nice... If I come closer, it will cut my head off, but just so you can see it. It's a lovely ribbed material with this lovely little cut. Don't know what she is, but she's making the shoulders a bit nice. Don't know. I want this in every colour. To be honest. And it doesn't wash me out. It's a perfect shade of beige. This, honestly, a 10 out of 10. It makes the chest look good as well. Just 10 out of 10. Did I grab this in any other colours? I might have grabbed it in white. I'm not sure, but either way, this would be cute if you're going out for like dinner with jeans. Oh, it's really cute. Please say I picked up in other colours. Rib neck. Oh, I feel like I have, you know. If I have. Oh no, I haven't. Oh, that's sad. Okay, so it's a long sleeve. Haven't I just bought one of these? I feel like I've bought one of these recently. Okay, well, I'll try it on anyway, but obsessed with this one. This one doesn't actually have any like clippy things at the bottom. And I feel like it's really giving me a line because it's not a thong. Yeah, no. No. If this was a thong bag, I'd love this because the long sleeve is really nice and this is super flattering. Again, with the wide chest. I can't do pant line. And especially because it's like thick, like the thickness that's here is on the bum. No. I feel like I'm wearing a nappy. If this is the same, then I'm not trying it on. I refuse. Yeah, no. She's the same. If you don't mind a pant line, then you'd like this. If we forget about the pant line and we think about the quality, it's not see-through. We think about thickness, it's thick, it's flattering. All of that is a 10 out of 10, but I can't do pant line. No, thank you. Girls, I'm not sure why, but I've actually bought a roll neck dress. Why? Straight off the bat, not a fan because it's too big. If it fitted, there we go, bit of figure going on, then I wouldn't mind. But no, I'm not really a fan of roll necks. No. The colour is lovely. Again, in person, it's more of like a cool tone brown, but on camera it's warm. I'm not sure what's going on with that. And it's a bit long for my liking. Like, no. No. Need to take it off. I hate wearing things that I don't like. I just start to get funny. Don't know, but need to get it off. But you know when you get trapped in something, you just get all of it. I just feel like I've put on my dad's shirt. This is not going well. If this was shorter, like, oh god, and then he's out. Like here, I would like it, but it's not. Because I thought this with boots, maybe a leather jacket would look really cute. It's just too... I guess you could roll it and then cinch it. Guys, this is not going well now. The haul was going okay and now it's not. And now I'm getting agitated because I want to get out of it. The quality of the shirt is good. If you are a taller gal, if you're not what I am, a short little gal, then you like this. It would be really cute. Just the vibes of long boots, maybe ankle boots with either a fur coat or a leather coat or even a denim jacket. This would look cute on a night out or a little day or something. It would look good. And I like the contrast of the buttons and the belt poking out. That's quite cute. It's just not for me. I need opinions on this. I like it, but again, it doesn't show my figure. Like, I want it to be tighter. I want to be able to not move because I feel insecure if my figure's not showing, because then if I start to look square, I then feel fat. The dress itself is really nice. Like, it's a nice length. You could make it longer. I feel like with some sandals that could look cute. I'm just not sure. It is a knit dress, so maybe not summer, but it's like a thin one, but not cheap feeling. It's got some detailing on it, as you can see. The neckline's nice. Gives it like a corset vibe, but it's just not tight enough for what I'm after. But the colour's really nice. And I like this colour with my hair as well. This is claimed to be a mini dress. There's not a lot mini about it, other than me in it. Out of 10, I'd give it a 9, if it was just a bit more. Because I could deal with it being long, so I could wear it as like a long dress with some sandals. So far, I'm keeping 1 item, and we've got 2 items left. These pyjamas are not included. I'm out of focus again. My camera just doesn't like this background, because whenever I used to use it, whenever I used to use this background, it didn't like it. Okay, so last item, these bottoms, these are mine. I've been on a hunt for like an oversized cropped hoodie, but like cropped. When I say cropped, I mean literally boobies back fall out, because I wanted it so you can wear like a cute bralette under it, and like if you was to raise, holding it here, if you was to raise or something, I mean, why would I raise? I don't know. Or like if it was to fly, I don't know. I just wanted to wear a cute bralette under it, okay? This is the exact fit I was after. The only thing is the quality on this is just not it. It is really thin. The hood just droops and sags. I will keep this one and wear it for now until I find a better quality one. You lose some, you win some. I've lost a lot in this haul. So everyone, I hope you enjoyed this haul. I mean, did I? I don't know. I enjoyed filming it. Did I enjoy the stuff in it? Yeah, not really. Make sure you subscribe. We are on the road to 20k. I will leave you now because I'm done chewing your ear off. And I'll see you in my next video.